I'm Simon from Coolit, and this is the CI sliding door for freezers, for chillers, in the automated version. First we start with some basics. The sliding door you see here has an open track system. The track is the headpiece of the frame, same time. It has a wall guiding system, floor guiding system you can get, it's optional. We have extremely many options on these doors, so I can't explain them all, but we come to that later. The door is automated, as I said. It's a plug-and-play system, it's a frequency converter, no gear drive, so you can use it, definitely you can use it in the food industry. The door is a safe system, it is a stable system, and it is an easy system. It's a plug-and-play system. Safety. There's a light grid integrated in the frame, which has a high IP class. You can clean it, you can wash it down, no problem. You can, and that's also a nice feature of talking about safety of this door, you can even, if you stand here and the door hits you, it won't be a problem. Yeah? It reacts and opens up again. So this won't hurt anyone, this door. As I said, safe system, easy and stable. Now, talking about food industry, the control box, this is the standard version of the control box as you see it here, can be upgraded and maybe, if you ask me, should be upgraded to a high-risk version, an IP69K, when it comes to a lot of cleaning, when this door is facing a heavy cleaning environment, a lot of steam around, then you may want to go for this version, again, IP69K. So then the whole door, as you see it here, stainless steel door leaf, open track system, food safe frame, integrated light grid, is a top system for your facility. Have fun with it, and if you want to know more, send me a mail to simon@coolit.de.